Kicking things off, what exactly are probiotics? They're live bacteria and yeasts that are incredibly beneficial for your health, particularly for your digestive system. These friendly microorganisms reside in certain foods and supplements, and they bring a plethora of health benefits. Have you ever heard that your gut is often referred to as your second brain? It's a fact. Probiotics play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which influences your mood, energy levels, and even your immune system. A thriving gut equals a thriving you. One of the main advantages of probiotics is their capacity to promote efficient digestion. They aid in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and preventing harmful bacteria from gaining control. If you're dealing with digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or irritable bowel syndrome, probiotics might just become your new best friends. Here's where things get exciting. Probiotics act like the body's defense force. They fortify your immune system, making it more robust against infections and illnesses. By maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria, probiotics help your body ward off harmful invaders and keep you feeling on top of the world. Getting your daily dose of probiotics is both easy and tasty. You can find them in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. If you're more inclined towards a supplement, there's a variety of probiotic supplements readily available. Just bear in mind, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. So, there you have it. The fascinating realm of probiotics and their incredible benefits for your body. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Here's to a content gut, a resilient immune system, and a healthier you. Until our next rendezvous, take care and stay powered by probiotics.